Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Tatyana Chante. Right now we're going to start off with our bare nails, and I'm just going in with my sanding bit and just filing off the shine. After that, I'm going to go in with my coffin tips that I got from Amazon, and off screen I do just cut off the tip and just file down to my liking. Now for this pastel look, I did use Mia's Secret acrylic and just some clear acrylic that I got from Sally's Beauty. I used the Mia's Secret Fruity collection and I mix it with clear acrylic. So here I have blueberry. I used blueberry at the tip, grape in the middle, and ice cream at the cuticle area. You can use any clear acrylic. You can also use the Mia's Secret. I have that as well. It's just the clear acrylic from Sally's Beauty sets up just a little bit faster, so I'm able to work with it a little bit better. Now here I do not speed it up because I want you to see how slow that I work, and I work with small beads. It does not matter if you are a pro or if you are new, you can still achieve the same look, you know, just take your time. This set here took me about 45 minutes. To do the ombre with the iridescent flakes, I just pick up the same acrylic. So here I'm going in with blueberry and I pick up some flakes. I do go in with blueberry a couple of times, so it just depends on how experienced you are. You can do it with 1 bead, 2 beads, it really doesn't matter. Then I go in with grape and put the iridescent crystals and try to encapsulate it just a bit since it's already mixed with clear. And after that, I go in with ice cream and do the same thing over again. I do cap some of these nails in clear, but since it's mixed with a lot of clear, it wasn't fully necessary. Now you see, I go in with my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file and I define my shape and I file down the edges. After that, I go in with my sanding bit and I file down the entire nail just to debulk any acrylic that I need to get off. And then I go in with my cuticle bit just to round out the edges on the cuticle so I can get a seamless look between the natural nail and the extension. After filing, I decided I wanted to put some flowers on some of the nails, so I just used my Macart nail glue, cured for 30 seconds, and rubbed flowers onto my nails. And I did decide to put some jewels on there. After the flowers, I go in with my base coat. I do cure in between, and then I go in with my top coat. Take off the tacky layer, and then I am all done, and you have this beautiful pastel flower kind of look. If you have any questions about the items that I've used, just put a comment down below, and also comment any other nail designs that you guys want me to do next. See you next time. Hey loves, thank you for watching Taty's channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.